Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, is the Saferack Overhead Garage Storage worth it? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got a new home and you want to go ahead and install overhead garage shelving. Is the Saferack Garage Overhead Unit actually worth it? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in overhead garage shelving. And so I've had my Saferack Garage Shelving for about a couple of years now. And I'd say it's holding pretty well. I mean, it's absolutely fantastic. I feel very comfortable with the amount of weight that I put onto it. I really do like these opponent attachments here. So this one right over here, these hooks are so useful in making sure that things hang. So you can see all the stuff that we're hanging from the overhead garage unit. But overall, I'd say if you're stuck between this one or another one, this is an absolutely fantastic overhead garage shelf. I have this all over my garage, so I have about 4 different pieces. And it's been holding strong. It holds a lot of our Christmas decorations, our holiday decorations, our Thanksgiving, October decorations, and it really is fantastic. And so with that, with the Saferack Overhead Garage Shelving, really recommend getting like these accessory hooks just because they're so useful when it comes to hanging ladders, bags, chairs, helmets. Over here, we have some helmets being held. We have some gloves being held there. So it's just a nice way to go ahead and further use the overhead garage shelving that you see right over there. And so if you think if it's worth it, or if you're asking if it's worth it, I most certainly do think it is. And I've had no problems with it whatsoever. So check it out.